Now, for example, if we talk about this for the money part or the estimated earnings, so they are making about a good amount of money. For example, they are making near about 10K per day, we can say. Hey, what's good up guys? And today in this video, we are going to be learning about how you can make YouTube videos without showing your own face. Yes, you heard it correctly, and we are going to do it. And we are going to know how you can easily actually make something out of it. And you can create a whole channel and create multiple videos so that you can easily be able to create videos without showing your own face. That is, you don't need to come in front of cameras, and you don't need to be present right now like this I am talking with you. So what you can do actually is very simple. The way that you are going to do is to modify, and you can easily make something of your own, and you can easily add some voices of yours, you can add some music of yours, and you can make so many good things. For example, right now I'm going to show you a channel that is into tech niche. That is, whenever we talk about all these no face channels, it's the best so that we can easily go into a particular segment, which is also known as niche. So niche is a particular segment. For example, today we are going to talk about the tech niche because it's a really high CPM niche. What happens is that whenever we see YouTube pays a lot of money to the tech niches. You know why? Because the latest and the smartest products that are coming to market, they want the companies, the brands want them to be seen to people so that people see. What is happening is that you can easily get a lot of money out of it, and it's a high CPM niche. But as I have told you before, that it's simply a byproduct. So the thing that we are going to mainly focus on is to learn how you can, if you're really passionate about the tech things, and if you know what's the latest gadgets that are there, and if you are yourself curious about the things, then it will be the best thing that you can do. Now the thing that you're gonna change is very simple. Now I'm gonna go on to the desktop of mine or the PC of mine, and I am going to show you how you can easily make a tech channel of yours, and I am going to give you an example of that. So right now I am in my PC, and you can see something. You can see what? On this tab, you can see there is a channel which is known as Quantum Tech HD. So we can see the number of subscribers. The total number of subscribers is near about 8.36 million subscribers, and they have uploaded near about 401 videos. That is, they upload once in a while, and they do it really in a very awesome sense. Now we are gonna get into that. We are gonna go into that channel, and we are gonna see that what is the thing that's happening with them, how they're gaining so much, and what is the type of videos or the content they are creating. So by this you can see the all the balance is being done. For example, the channel art, the profile picture is on point. And now we are going to see there is a website. So we're going to keep it aside, and we can easily see something that's really awesome. For example, now we are going to get into the video section, and whenever we get into the video section, we would be easily be able to understand few things. For example, now I think I have opened it. Okay, so it's the new invention that is being uploaded on March 12th, 2021. See, we can see 1.4 million views, and that's quite a while. That means the traction is really good, and you can see that Grammarly is promoting that.
Attention house music fans.
Okay, so we can see another ad. So we don't need to see the ads. That means the channel is monetized, and the content that they are creating is very simple. See, so you can see that, see, there is no face up there. Let me just open it. Let me just open all this up for you so that I can show it. See, the thumbnails are really simple, and it's quite good. For example, the new innovations, and the you can see these titles are really simple and they're optimized. They're ASIA optimized, obviously, and you can see these are really unique in their own way, and you can easily watch the videos. Now, here we can see something. Okay. Uh-huh. So here is the intro for the hook that they're doing. Okay. So whenever we start it, now we are going to go on to the description, and new inventions are how we progress. So here you can see the products that are being shown, and the only thing is that they are not using any voice till now, but they are definitely monetized. How they can do? With the help of giving extra information. There are people might be thinking that how they can be done. So it's very simple. They are providing much more. They're adding value to it, and they're transforming the content. So that's how they are being able to be monetized till now. And they have monetized it. They have applied for the partnership program, the YouTube partnership program previously. And not just that, we can see the full list. And that is, it's a kind of promotional video that they are doing for each of the product. So they are promoting to a larger audience so that people can easily see that. And not just that, but also you can also learn. You can also learn about a product, and you can buy it from them, from the owners who are making the product and not the video. And but not just that, they are also doing a promotion kind of thing. So you can see that DJI keyboards, and here's the better body equipment and task lab. So what they're doing is they are taking up all the images and the videos, and they're merging it up. So basically they are the tech DJs, we can say. So they're taking all the informations, all the videos, and they are making it a very transformative video, and they are easily producing up the content they so that we all can, as an individual, as a viewer, we can see the videos very efficiently. Now, the thing that I want to show you is very simple. Now I am into the main YouTube channel of Quantum Tech HD, and I am just gonna take it and I am gonna copy it. So whenever I copy it down, what's going to be happening is very simple. Now what we can see is very simple. We can see the Quantum Tech HD channel, and we can see the last video, the recent video, and we can see it's a channel from Spain, and that's quite interesting. That is, it's the social blade rank is near about 1308th channel, and the country rank is 35th channel on Spain. So we can see something. We can see the subscribers for the last 30 days is 250K. The video views for the last 30 days is 99.335 million. And that is huge. That is humongous. Now we can see the YouTube stat summary. So on 2nd March, we can see something that is being happening, and until today it's 15th March. On 14th March, we can see a consistent 3 million, 2 million video views. It's consistent, and there has been some 4 million, 4 million, 3, 4. So basically what's happening is that the average view is near about 2 to 4 million each and every day. So what's happening is that the number of content they are producing, the number of videos they're producing, it's really humongous. And if you want to talk about the earnings also, that's also nice, but let's talk about the subscribers first. See, on daily basis, they're getting near about 10K subscribers every single day. So the reach is really unique, and they are getting really good results. Now, for example, if we talk about this for the money part or the estimated earnings, so they are making about a good amount of money. For example, they are making near about 10K per day, we can say near about 10K, because it's a high CPM niche, and they're making a quite good amount. That is near about 24.8 to 397K k per month, and that's near about the estimated yearly earning. It's about 4 million. High CPM niche, that as I have told you, so the earnings are really high for this, and the competition is kind of good for this niche, and it's going awesome for them. So now what I want to tell you is very simple. See, the monthly gained views for Quantum HD is being given, and the monthly gained subscribers is also on point. So they are getting a very consistent amount of views, and the subscriber is also growing. So what's happening is that the money they are generating is also quite good. So now if you want to start something like that, what you have to do is very simple. See, you can, on whenever you go on to the Quantum Tech HD thing, you can see the links as I have told you. So you can easily go up there, you can make some of mix and match from 2 to 3 videos, and you can easily compile them, and you can make some videos like these. And the best thing would be to give a voiceover. But if you don't want to do something like that, you don't need to worry about anything. You can simply outsource it to different platforms so that you can easily manage up your work, and you can easily have a YouTube channel where you don't have to show your own face. Now, this is one of the coolest way that you can use, and you will be able to succeed it, and you don't have to be on camera always, and you don't have to be on well groomed, well dressed, and you don't have to be, come on, I'm sitting casually, and I want, the main objective of mine is to give the provide you the value that I have, and to show you the pathway that you can easily use, and that's going to be really awesome. Now what's going to be happening is that you can spend more time with your family members, you can do the things that you actually love. And if you're interested in tech, you'll also be coming, and you can also share your own thoughts via voiceovers, or if you want to show your face, you can do it too. But the best thing, if you don't want to show your face, you can try something like this, and it's going to be worth it. Hey guys, thank you for watching the whole video. I hope that you have subscribed and shared this video. And if you haven't, do tell me in comment section that what is your favorite tech gadget that you like to use every single day. And not just that, if you haven't liked the video till now, what are you waiting for? We are gonna come up with many lots of ideas about how you can create uh, different videos and all that beautiful stuff, and without showing your own face. So guys, that was all for today. See you again. Bye.